Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate days in Excel from today. So here you can see there are some dates available. So here I enter the today's date. So I use here the today is 2102 and 2025. Okay. Same as the copy paste here the same date, and so this is a today dates. Okay. So I'm going to calculate days from today. Okay, so this is a today date. So here I use equal to, then I select the today date, then use the minus, then use the start date and enter key. Then I drag below this formula, and here you see the days calculated from today. Okay, again I show you the different way. Is equal to, use the days function, use the tab, select the end date, use the comma, and select the start date, bracket close and enter. Drag this formula below the cell, and here you see the days calculated from today. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.